was checking out this beautiful Jeep Rubicon. These usually retail for around 40 to 50. I was checking it out because it's here in the auction. It's a 2018. It has 49,000 miles on it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at the combination of colors. Look at that. I like it. Look at the bumpers in the back. The lift gate, tailgate looks like it's been taken apart. So let's check out the damage. Off-road, all-terrain wheels. It looks like it's been lifted. And here's the damage. I was checking it out. It ripped it apart right here to open it. And this is what I was observing. This frame right here. This corner right here, compared to this corner, it looks like this corner right here is dropped. So that means that there's a buckle somewhere right there. Because if we step back and look at it, you could see how it's buckled down there. If you compare this point to this point right here on the frame, this is why they totaled it. 'Cause I'm pretty sure there's a buckle somewhere in the frame, and that's a lot of work. It's a lot of damage. And this is why this is at the auction. It is what it is. So I want you guys to see this Challenger over here. I was like, wow, 103,000 miles on it. Look at the damage on this thing. Look at that. A lot of damage. Engine damage, wow, it's just too much. Look at the cowl, the glass. It's a lot of work. Look how many cars there is. These are like 4 or 5 deep times this big row. Look at that, where it goes. It goes way over there. And then there's like 3 more rows of 4 or 5 each deep that way. And I've been here about 2 hours trying to film. But this is so you guys could get a glimpse of how many cars there is here at the auction. There's no room, so they just leave them right there. Look, they leave it right there, they leave it right there. But let's see what else we find.